Hello, my name is Carlos. First of all, I am going to introduce myself. Mm, After that, I am going to describe my trip on the Caribbean coast. After that, I am going to give you some tips if go to the Caribbean coast. And finally, I am going to give you some advices if go to the Caribbean coast. My trip to the Caribbean coast. Last year, I went on vacation to the Caribbean coast. I was there for a week with my whole family. It was not expensive. We paid around 1 million pesos per person. I liked because I knew many places such as Cartagena and Santa Marta, very beautiful places. I come back because I had to work and study in my city. The weather in the Caribbean coast is very warm. During the day, it is very sunny, and at night it's very hot. However, on the beach you can be cold. In the Caribbean coast, it's important to use sunscreen. It is recommended that you be careful with the food that you buy on the beaches. It's a good idea that you visit Cartagena and Santa Marta. It is better to travel by car between one city and another. It's necessary that hydrate all the time. It's recommended that you go through the walled city in Cartagena at night. It's important that you get accommodation in advance. On the Caribbean coast, you should visit Baru, Playa Blanca, Taganga, and the Terona Park. You should try the delicious food of these places, especially seafood. You should tour the walled city of Cartagena at night. You should walk El Rodadero in Santa Marta. You should go salsa dance in La Troja. You should wear cool clothes in these places. You should not buy solid foods on the beaches. You should when you return for your friends, and you should be very careful with the vendors on the beaches. That's all.